Hi friends, myself Girish Pradhan. Welcome to Plant at Home channel. In this video, you will learn how to grow Parijata plant at home. Parijata plant is a very famous plant of Southeast Asia. You can see this plant produces beautiful flowers in clusters that have white colored 6 to 8 corolla with an orange red at the center of the flower. Growing Parijata plant in your garden is very simple and it can be grown by seeds and stem cuttings from the mother plant. You can collect the seeds from the dried flowers from the mother plant or from a nursery or online. You can see the small oval shaped seeds of Parijata. This germinates easily in warm moist soil. If you have to grow in a container, an excellent soil drainage is crucial to grow Parijata plant. You can take a pot, make a small hole and fill with a small stone for the effective drainage. To prepare a potting soil, you have to fill the pot with a soil mixture of 50% garden soil, river sand of 20% and 30% of organic compost and mix properly. Spray the water to maintain soil mixture. To grow Parijata from seeds, make a small hole, push the seeds into the soil. You can plant multiple seedlings in one pot. Make sure to leave plenty of space between the seedlings. After sowing of the seeds, fill the top layer with the soil to allow seeds to grow. So you will be able to dig them up and transfer them later. After 3 months, luckily you can see only one Parijata plant started growing from the seeds. And I have transplanted the Parijata plant into a bigger pot from small pot to grow well. Parijata plant prefer bright direct sunlight. The plant can also grow in a partial shade, but the rate of blooming might reduce. All it requires is watering regularly and sunlight exposure. Remember, overwatering can kill this and soil has to be well drained before watering. Parijata plant is not a heavy feeder, so you can add organic compost little bit 2 months once. Pruning is a very important part to grow. Keep checking for dead and injured branches and remove it from time to time to increase the growth of the plant. Aphids and mites can attack this plant. Monthly once or twice, spray neem oil or any mild soap solution to remove pests and remove the infected leaves while pruning. I hope you like this video. Happy planting. Thanks for watching.